Good day everyone, my name is Daramola Samuel Oluwatimilein. I studied Materials and Metallurgical Engineering at Federal University of Technology, Minna. I was posted to Anambra State, Onitsha local government area. I was posted to EduFun Technik STEM Hub, where I spent the remaining of my service year. I spent the first 6 months of my training at Mount Olive and the remaining 6 months at Great Sailor School in Onono, Anambra West local government, where I served as the instructor for computer appreciation and Arduino for the underserved communities in the village over there. The challenges I faced at my service here was mainly at the village where I served. The village, I faced language barriers where I communicate in English and the feedback I get is in Igbo. So it's really difficult to understand if the children are understanding what I say, and I'm not able to understand their challenges, so I have to look for somebody that would interpret to me. It was really a challenge, but I thank God for everything. But the key lesson I learned from my service here is there's nothing you cannot do. Don't be scared of anything, just go for it and everything will fall in place. Going to Onono was quite scary because it's a land where I knew nobody and few people understand what I say, so it was quite difficult finding friends. Every week I had to run back to Onitsha so that I could feel friendship and love, but with time I got used to them. I adapted to their lifestyle and I was able to communicate little by little with the community. Before coming for NYSC, I always had it in mind that I would relate with people from different walks of life, and during my NYSC I was opportune to collaborate with some students from Harvard University to work on a project together. It was really big for me and I'm grateful for that whole experience. Coming to EduFun has helped me grow personally and professionally. At EduFun I learned how to make connections with the Arduino board. I learned how to edit videos. I learned how to manage my class properly. I learned how to deliver lectures in ways which children could understand. I learned a whole lot of things at EduFund and I'm really grateful for the opportunity that EduFund presented to me. The advice I would give to incoming core members is to do hard things. There's nothing too difficult for you to do, and be law-abiding citizens. Don't be negative people. I'm grateful to God for the opportunity to serve at EduFun Technik STEM Foundation. I'm grateful to the management, the CEO, Ms. Uchenna, the director, Mr. Basil, the staffs of EduFun Technik, especially Ms. Goodluck, Mr. Jude, Obina. I'm also grateful to my colleagues, the fellow core members of Batch A Stream 2, for their love and support that they showed me during my NYSC journey.